Hi guys, today I am at Sasac Works in San Celoni, Barcelona. My canopy is arrived and today is the day we're going to install the canopy. So I hope you like it. Let's go! We met at the garage at 8 in the morning with the dealer, and when I was arriving into the garage, I overtake a truck while they were watching my pickup. So I thought, they're the dealers. And a few minutes later, when they arrived at the garage, I knew I was right because they were the truck I overtook. When the dealer arrived, the first thing was unload quickly the truck and check everything was okay and start installing. For set up the canopy, first thing you gotta do is fix the foam in the panels for a good insulation about water and dust. After you put the foam, you gotta assemble the panels and fix the panels into the tent. Look at that, they work very fast. It's ready to install. They're installing the roof rack and are so strong. Now it's ready for installing in the pickup truck. We were 5 people and did it quickly and very easy. After that, if you need correct the position, you can do it easily by hand, because the canopy is so light. The last thing you gotta do is fix the canopy into the truck. This canopy fixed with brackets, 4 in each side. So if you use this way to fix it, you don't need an engineering project. At the bottom of the panel, we're going to install a step, one in each side, to climb up to the roof and be able to fix a canoe or surf or whatever you want. The canopy is installed, and now we're going to install the rest of the accessories. This side at the top is the shower connection, and in this side is the water fill cap. They're working so fast because I gotta go to Oviedo today, and Friday I have to stay at home because it's my daughter's graduation, so everything is under. Well, canopy installed and ready for adventure. They installed some accessories here, step, one in each side, to climb up to the roof and fix the canoe, surfboards or whatever you want. Above the step, exterior shower connection and cube shower in this side. And in the right side, just above the step, you can feel the clean water and the awning. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, comment, you can ask me whatever you want about the canopy, the camper, whatever, and I'll answer every question. So in next videos we'll see the camper inside the canopy, so don't miss next videos. See you in next adventure. Get ready!